A pleasant day, everyone. Welcome again to Teacher Tinitin's classroom. This is Mrs. Christine C. Tuano, your English 9 teacher. We are now with the last part, or Lesson 2 of Module 6, which is all about arrive at the meaning of words through formation. So at the end of Lesson 2, you should be able to get meaning of words through clippings, blending, compounding, and acronym. To be able to achieve it, the following objectives would help. First, differentiate words that are clipped, blended, compounded, and acronym form. Next, discover how meanings can be derived from words formed. And last, use clipped, blended, compounded, and acronym form words in sentences. So how are words formed? Word formation is something referred to all processes connected with changing and creating a word. There are numerous word formation processes. But for today, we're going to discuss only 4, which is blending, clipping, compounding, and acronym. So the first one is clipping. Clipping is a word formation process wherein a word is shortened to form another word. It consists in the reduction of a word to one of its parts. There are 4 types of clipping. The first one is back clipping. In back clipping, you only get the first part of the word to form another word. For example, ad from the word advertisement. Opposite of that is for clipping, wherein you only get the last part of the word. Sample, phone from the word telephone. Middle clipping, of course, you get the word from the middle part of the word. Sample, flu from influenza. And the last one is complex clipping. Complex clipping is a combination of 2 clip words. Complex clipping can be called as blending. Now, what is blending? As I've said earlier, blending is a word formation. It consists of parts of 2 or more words that are clipped and combined to create a new word whose meaning is often a combination of the original word. Examples: biopic is a combination of the words biographical and picture. A biopic is telling the story of a person through pictures. Next, smog. Smog is a combination of smoke and fog. Smog is usually connected with the word pollution. Next is Taglish, a combination of the Tagalog and English language. Webinar, which is a combination of worldwide web seminar, or a seminar that is presented in the World Wide Web. Now let's go to compounding. Now this third type of word formation are formed when 2 or more words with different meaning combined into a single new word. There are 3 types of compound words. The first one is the closed type. Closed type because you simply combine them together. For example, Facebook, which is a combination of the word face plus book. However, take note that the word Facebook has nothing to do with these 2 words. That's why they are called compounding. The second is hyphenated. Hyphenated words are separated by a hyphen, like stir fry. And of course, the last one is the open compound words. Open compound words are separated by a space in between them, as in the word high school. Acronym words are formed using the initials of the words. So there are so many examples of acronyms that are found today. First example is the word laser, which comes from the light amplification by simulated emission of radiation. Another is scuba, from self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. Radar, from radio detection and ranging. News, from north, east, west, and south. And the last one is PIN, from personal identification number. This ends the first part of word formation lesson. See you again in our lesson next time. Bye and God bless.